Do you know? It's almost impossible to find monoglass TOPCon modules on the market. With the lightweight design, monoglass modules have a wide range of applications. For residential or industrial rooftops with limited load-bearing capacity, their lighter weight significantly reduces the pressure on the roofs. TOPCon cells contain aluminum and alkaline oxides, which are prone to corrosion in humid conditions. Additionally, TOPCon cells adopt negative electrodes passivation, leaving the gridline area unprotected. In humid and hot environments, reactions with acidic substances can cause corrosion and gridline failure. AIKO ABC modules solve the issue of damp heat corrosion. First, copper fingers replace silver aluminum ones, eliminating aluminum powder, glass frit, and alkaline oxides, making them highly corrosion resistant. Second, all-electrodes passivation technology provides full protection for the cells, eliminating corrosion pathways and preventing moisture damage. The reliability of AIKO ABC monoglass modules has also been certified by TÜV Rheinland, showing degradation under 0.56% after 3,000 hours of rigorous damp heat testing. Therefore, ABC enables the production of reliable, durable monoglass modules, which are over 16% lighter per square meter compared to TOPCon dual glass modules. For a 10,000 square meters rooftop, this results in a weight reduction of 13.7 tons, equivalent to 3 forklifts. AIKO ABC, reducing the load on your roof with cutting-edge technology.